Hi fellow crafters, I'm Terry and I'm nuts about stamping. Stampin' Up's celebration is well underway and I recently earned, for free, the heart-shaped bundle. Today's project features a beautiful Valentine's card using this bundle. Let's get started. Celebration is Stampin' Up's biggest promotion of the year. It started on the 7th of January and it finishes on the 28th of February. And here's how it works. For every €70 purchase that you make in one of our other catalogs, the annual catalog or the mini catalog, or from an online exclusive purchase, you can choose one of these products for free. Now, when I did my pre-order from the new mini catalog and the scrapbooking workshop kit, etc., I actually earned the heart-shaped bundle, which is free for €140 purchase. I just had to verify that. 70 plus 70 is 140, Terry. So I earned this bundle for free. But what I think is really cool about this bundle is you can get it in English, French, Dutch, or German. So, because I live in the Netherlands right now, I bought it in, or I earned it and chose it in Dutch. So I'm going to show you a Dutch version of a really beautiful Valentine's card using these two products. Here's what the dies look like, and I'm going to be using a couple of them on today's card. So let's get going. Now I have some scrap pieces of cardstock here. I have basic white and I have pretty in pink. And what I want to do is die cut this heart from each of these. Actually, I want two pretty in pink hearts. On the back of these, I've already put some adhesive sheets because when this is die cut out, it's actually quite a delicate heart. So I'm going to die cut two of the pretty in pink and one of the basic white. And then I'm going to die cut one of the flowers from the basic white and two from pretty in pink. And I'm going to use these in combination on the front of my card. So I'll go ahead and do this die cutting and I'll be right back. So I've got my two hearts and my three flowers die cut, and I just want to show you what I absolutely love about this die. You know, sometimes when you have intricate dies and you die cut out something, you have a lot of bits and pieces that you have to poke out. This comes out clean, so it's ready to go for your next project. The other thing I wanted to share with you is I told you that I used my adhesive sheets on the back of these hearts. My suggestion is to keep this around because if you ever decide you want to die cut out a shape and you want adhesive automatically on the back of it, you can use this leftover piece. Don't throw it out because you've got adhesive sheet on it. You can use it for other dies, or you can use this just as a really funky heart as well. I think that's pretty cool too. Anyway, on with our project. I want to adhere my two pretty in pink hearts onto this layer of basic white. And then what I want to do is take the white one and I want to put it on top of the two pink ones. So I'll go ahead, peel the adhesive off the back of each of these hearts, and I'll adhere them onto this layer as the first step in this beautiful card. Now what I want to do is take these two leftover pieces of the Wildflower Birthday Designer Series paper, and I want to attach them underneath this heart layer, pulling the pink and the white colors together. Now, when you are going to attach strips like that, what I recommend is you run a bead of glue across the top of the basic white and then lay it down, and then turn it over and do it again on the bottom. And that way you see exactly how much paper is showing through. That's personal preference. You can have just a little bit peeking out, or you can have a lot, depending on your artistic taste. I've decided that my card base is going to be pretty in pink. And what I want to do next is adhere this heart layer to my card base. Now I want to create a phrase for the front of my card, and I'm going to do that using Pretty in Pink. I've got a narrow strip of basic white. After I stamp my phrase down, I'll trim it off so that it's the right size. Now I want to attach my phrase using mini Stampin' Dimensionals, just to give it a bit of lift off the front of my card. And then the final thing I want to do is add my 3 flowers, and then we'll talk embellishments. I'm going to use my iridescent faceted gems, and I'm going to put 1 small gem in the center of each of the flowers to complete my card. And there we go, my Valentine is done, and I think it's super pretty. If you would like to learn more about celebration, just leave me a comment in the description box under this video. I'll be able to provide you with a free copy of the celebration brochure and give you additional information as needed. I'm Terry. I am nuts about stamping. I'll see you at my next video. Bye for now.